The 1963 Ford Galaxie Behemoth, an extraordinary restoration project completed by the expert team at Jeff Lilly Restorations. This iconic American vehicle has been meticulously transformed, blending its classic charm with modern engineering and unparalleled craftsmanship. At the heart of the Behemoth lies a formidable 460 Ci engine. This powerhouse received an eagle steel crank with 6.250-inch H-beam rods and Mahle forged pistons. A comp cam's hydraulic roller cam actuates the valves in Edelbrock aluminum heads, while the TMN 8-stack fuel injection system adds both performance and visual appeal. This combination delivers an impressive 535 horsepower and 550 pound-foot of torque. The engine's various surface finishes play off each other beautifully, creating a visually striking engine bay. The Ron Davis aluminum radiator and built-in condenser cools things down. The transmission is a TCI 700R4 AOD with a low-car shifter. It spins a narrowed Ford 9-inch with 3.75 gears. The 3-inch exhaust with Borla mufflers helps breathing and was hot-coated in black. Ride-Tech airbags are at all four corners, as are Willwood 14-inch 6-piston disc brakes. Platinum-painted Dayton wire wheels with chrome knockoffs measure 18 by 9.5 up front and 20 by 10 in the rear, covered in BFG G-force radials. After all the fabrication was completed, the body was meticulously straightened, gapped, and painted in a stunning bottomless blue Bass F Glazurate base coat / clear coat by Bob Ives. Nat Ramirez performed the color sanding and final paint polish, resulting in a flawless and breathtaking finish. Custom inner fender panels conceal the wiring and plumbing, while the brake system is cleverly hidden behind the dash. The master cylinder can be refilled by removing the speaker grille, showcasing the innovative design. The fuse block, wiring, airbag compressor, audio amplifiers, and dual batteries are all mounted behind finished panels in the trunk, ensuring easy accessibility. Brake, fuel, and air conditioning lines are hidden inside the box tubing of the frame.